Here are the good of visiting Dubai. Modern architecture and attractions. Dubai is home to iconic structures like the Burj Khalifa, Palm Jumeirah, and luxury malls with indoor ski slopes and aquariums. The city's investment in futuristic design and entertainment creates a unique urban experience unlike anywhere else. World-class shopping. From luxury brands to traditional souks, Dubai offers a shopping paradise for all preferences. With tax-free shopping and massive retail events like the Dubai Shopping Festival, it's ideal for both casual and serious shoppers. Safety and cleanliness. Dubai is one of the safest cities in the world with very low crime rates and a strong sense of order. Strict laws and high standards of living contribute to a safe and well-maintained environment for tourists. Cultural diversity. Dubai is a melting pot of cultures, offering diverse cuisines, traditions, and expat communities. The cosmopolitan nature makes it easy for travelers to find familiar comforts while exploring new cultures. Unique desert and coastal experiences. Activities like dune bashing, camel rides, and luxury beach resorts offer both thrill and relaxation. Dubai's geography allows visitors to experience both the desert and the sea in one trip. Here are the bad of visiting Dubai. Extreme heat in summer. Temperatures can exceed 45 degrees Celsius (113 degrees Fahrenheit) during summer months, making outdoor activities uncomfortable or unsafe. Dubai's desert climate means long, intensely hot summers, especially from June to September. Here are some tips. Visit between November and March when the weather is milder. Plan indoor activities during the day and go out in the early morning or evening. Stay hydrated and wear light, breathable clothing. Strict laws and cultural norms. Dubai enforces laws related to public behavior, dress code, alcohol, and relationships that may be unfamiliar to visitors. As part of the UAE, Dubai follows Islamic laws and customs, which are strictly regulated in public settings. Here are some tips. Research local customs and laws before traveling. Dress modestly in public places, especially malls and religious sites. Avoid public displays of affection and be cautious with social media content. High costs. Luxury accommodations, dining, and activities can be expensive, especially in tourist-centric areas. Dubai positions itself as a luxury destination, which can lead to high prices across many sectors. Here are some tips. Look for deals and promotions, especially during the off-season. Use public transport instead of taxis when possible. Try local eateries or food courts for more budget-friendly meals. Artificial atmosphere. Some visitors find Dubai overly commercialized or lacking in authentic local culture. Much of Dubai's growth is recent and geared toward luxury tourism and expat lifestyles. Here are some tips. Visit old Dubai areas like Al Fahidi Historic District or the Dubai Creek for more traditional experiences. Attend cultural performances or visit heritage centers to learn about Emirati traditions. Balance time between major attractions and local markets or neighborhoods. Heavy traffic and limited walkability. The city is car-centric with congested roads and limited pedestrian infrastructure in many areas. Rapid urban development has prioritized highways and private transport over walkable city planning. Here are some tips. Use the Dubai Metro and trams to avoid road congestion. Book accommodations near the areas you plan to explore. Avoid rush hours around 8 to 10 a.m. and 5 to 7 p.m. when possible.